Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 30 for the Beautymas series here on my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to do kind of like a New Year's Eve type of a makeup look. Anyway, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to tape under my eyes just so I can get a really crisp line with the eyeliner. So I wanted to do kind of like a sparkly, kind of like smudged eyeliner look. So we're going to jump right in. So first I'm going to prime the eyes. I'm using the NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. Next I'm going to go into the ColourPop Warm Wishes eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start with the lightest brown shade in the palette. This is called Hot Cocoa. I'm just going to start by using a small blending brush. I'm going to use this one. This one is the Sephora blending crease brush. I'm just going to take a small amount of this and just start blending this shade. I'm going to do a gradient, so I'm going to kind of build or blend the shade up. Do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, next I'm going to take a smaller blending brush. I'm going to take this one because it's a little smaller and I can get it a little lower. So I'm going to take the shade Cozy Babe and we're going to apply this shade right underneath the first shade that we applied. But we're going to build it up just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take my black eyeliner. Oh no, this isn't my eyeliner, this one. I'm going to take my black eyeliner. This is the Jafra Always Power Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm going to get a closer mirror. I wanted to use this, and I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow on top of it. And I'm going to try to really focus this on the lash line. And I'm going to create a little wing. So I'm going to take a eyeliner brush. This is the Morphine Ariel brush number A16. I'm going to take the Natasha Denona Glam palette. I'm going to take the color Lash Line, and we're going to go right on top of the eyeliner. Next, we're going to go back to the ColourPop palette. First, we're going to take By the Fireplace, which is this one, and we are going to apply this kind of like in this area here. Then I'm actually going to take a blending brush and I kind of went a little bit too high on this side, so I'm just going to kind of blend that a bit. Then we're going to go into the color Sparkle SZN, which is this one. This is kind of like a Super Shock Shadow formula, I think. This side kind of got covered up, so I'm going to apply some more eyeliner and a little here, actually. Okay, off camera really quick, I'm going to apply lashes, and then I'll be right back. second lash coming on right now. Lash being applied. So now I'm going to go back to the eyeshadow palette for the inner corner highlight and the brow bone highlight. So I'm going to take, where is that brush? Okay, here, I'll just use this one. I'm going to take the color Marshmallows, which is this one, and we are going to apply this in the inner corner and also the brow bone. Now I'm going to wipe off any lip balm and foundation on the lips. And I'm going to take a red lip, okay, look. I'm going to take the my Beautymas series on my YouTube channel. Bye!